Microsoft Reno is so excited to be able to host the DigiGirlz event again this year, but I want to also acknowledge that it takes a village and it does take the community to make these events possible, and we're so thankful that we have a willing set of partners in both public and private sectors to celebrate girls having a career in technology.
It's important to reach out into middle school and high school age kids to expose them to the university. We're proud to be involved in programs that help students find their passion. When they find their passion, we know that they're going to be more successful in life.
Looking back over the past 10 years, this camp has brought not only opportunities to young girls locally, but it has also provided nationwide recognition to the city. It's the second largest DigiGirlz camp in our nation.
As a high schooler, there's very few things that are free. So to be able to go to a 2-day event and get as much exposure to the topics, to the community, to professionals, that is indescribable.
It's opened me up to a lot of new opportunities and career fields, and I just love learning about all of the career paths that lie ahead of me.
Looking back at the 10 years of the DigiGirlz program, it's had a huge impact in Reno, Nevada. We've had the opportunity to bring hundreds of girls through the program and really expose them to careers in STEM.
We're proud to offer this free opportunity to girls 14 to 18 years old. During the 2-day event, attendees listen to speakers, participate in STEAM-based activities and demonstrations, and learn through hands-on workshops.
There's so many different activities that you can do. I've met lots of really interesting people. I've heard lots of really good guest speakers.
I didn't know there was so few women in the field. It definitely made me interested hearing about how amazing all the stuff they're doing is.
We encourage anyone who's interested in participating for those high school girls to sign up as soon as possible because we do expect seats to fill quickly.